Welcome to Jim Taylor Buick GMC. We're so happy to have you. Here, we're committed to making your service experience easy and transparent. And with this video, along with your brochure, we're going to guide you through towing, collision, and all your service needs. When you arrive for service, just pull into the service lane on the left side of the dealership. Our UVI system will scan your vehicle in seconds, and one of our friendly service advisors will review the results with you.
While our certified technicians are servicing your vehicle, enjoy our lounge area with complimentary coffee, free Wi-Fi, and a comfortable space to relax or get some work done. Need to get back to work or can't wait? No problem. Our shuttle driver will be happy to take you to your destination while we care for your vehicle. Our certified parts specialists offering genuine OEM parts are here for every repair or upgrade. Service advisors, sales consultants, receptionists, or accounting teams are here to guide you every step of the way and answer any questions you may have.
Thank you for choosing Jim Taylor Buick GMC, where people drive us.